Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Here is that stove full of shavings that came off of that bow drill set we made the other day when we were turning the pole saw into a bow drill set. They have dried in the garage, not in the back glass of the Camry, not out in the sun. So I would imagine the shavings on top are dry, but still a lot of moisture on the inside. I'd like to see how that burns. So we get it started with some pine needles and a Yucca spindle, hand drill spindle on a poplar fireboard. And it looks like we have plenty of bottom left in that fireboard. Let's see how it goes. After I get done mowing the grass, I want to see if I can utilize those coals. I'm not expecting a lot of flames out of this, but I am expecting a good pile of coals, and we'll see if we can make some char cloth off of those. And I will use ashes on my hands for grip. Try to get rid of that char so my hands will be less black, my spindle will be less black. Let's give it a try. Uh-oh. Let me try to wet the back of this board so that it can have some more friction. We'll try it again. I want to put this powder on top of the ember. Those pine needles do not want to start up, do they? We'll turn this vent towards the wind, which is coming this way. But right now, we have swirling winds. I got to wash that off my hands so that I can get my earplugs in. I was not expecting that many flames. That's about 10 pieces. That's not going to work. I'll have to put some wood on top of that. All right, as soon as the smoke and the flames stop coming out of that vent hole, you can go ahead and take it out and let it cool off, but you don't have to. You can let it stay in there while the entire fire burns out. Let me put you on time lapse. All right, let's see what we have. Well, it's completely covered with smoke residue. I don't like to see that. Oh, it's stiff. And you want supple char cloth. You don't want it to be stiff. That new chert is really doing a good job, isn't it? All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.